Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today what we have here is the Samsung soundbar model HW-T400. This is an entry-level soundbar from Samsung, and the reason we purchased this soundbar is because recently we purchased the Samsung 43AU8000 series TV, and honestly the sound or the audio quality from that 4K television is somehow decent. That is my personal opinion because that TV is actually an entry level from Samsung. So it has a decent audio or sound quality coming from the TV as well. And let's try to check if this soundbar, entry level soundbar, will give us more better experience when we try to watch a movie. Okay? And let's try to check what are the things that are included in the box. Honestly guys, I have already opened this one when we tried to purchase it earlier at Amazon. And we have already seen the things that are included, but I'll try to show you what are the things that are included as well. Okay, and guys, just like to remind you that this soundbar only costs around 4,000 pesos or less than $100. Okay, and what we have here is the power cord, a remote, and the unit itself. Okay, first, and it also includes a optical cable, warranty card, and of course the unit itself. Okay, let's put that there. And guys, it's not that heavy. I think it's somewhere around 3 kilos maybe. And here you go. Okay, unfortunately there is no wall mount bracket included, but you can still wall mount this soundbar because it already has holes in here. Just drill a hole on the wall and hang it in there. Okay, and let's try to set up or configure this with our TV for now. We have already set up our soundbar with our TV and it is connected via Bluetooth. Guys, just a reminder, I'm only using an X-T20 camera with a BOYA microphone installed. At the same time, the video that we will be playing on YouTube is just an ordinary video because I don't want to get the trailers or the popular music videos because I don't want to get into copyright infringement. But hopefully we can still distinguish on which device will give us a better audio or sound quality. Is it the soundbar or is it the TV? And just a helpful tip, maybe you can close your eyes and do a blind listening test so you can actually distinguish which one will give you a better or good quality sound. Is it the speaker from the TV or is it the soundbar? So you won't have any biases that you're listening actually to the soundbar or the TV. And let us begin. Check what are the things that are included in the box. We have two XT8 router, and under them there comes two power adapter, one LAN cable, and 6 removable plugs intended for video conference. And for the specifications, this router has one 2.5 gigabit LAN port, 1 gigabit LAN port, and then has 256 MB flash and 512 MB RAM and a quad-core processor. For setting up the router, get one unit, plug the for adapter to the wall outlet and the other end to the Wi-Fi router. And plug the LAN cable coming from your source of internet like the modem provided by your internet service provider and to the one port of the Wi-Fi. And there you have it, guys. I hope you have made your decision on which one actually produces a good sound or audio quality. But for me, definitely, the soundbar is a huge upgrade coming from the TV speaker that I have. But guys, please don't quote me on this that this will be the best experience that you'll be able to get in terms of audio quality. There are other options out there. A home theater will be definitely the best experience that you'll be able to get. But those one are actually more expensive than the soundbar that we purchased. And the reason we purchased the soundbar is just an upgrade coming from the TV speaker. And in addition, it is not just for TV. If you want to play music or audio from your mobile device in Spotify or iTunes, you can connect via Bluetooth your mobile device to the soundbar that you purchased and play a music on it. And guys, I hope you like the video and you learned something from the video. And if you have comments and questions, comment down below. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe and bye.